How do IT teams keep your systems running 24/7, even while you sleep? The answer is remote monitoring and management, or RMM. Today, we're demystifying how RMM tools help prevent tech issues before they start, minimize downtime, and keep businesses operating smoothly, all without stepping foot on site. Welcome back to Demystifying IT Jargon, where we transform complicated tech terms into clear, actionable knowledge. I'm Chad Barron, and today we're giving you an inside look at the invisible engine that powers modern IT support. Let's start with the basics. Remote monitoring and management is a set of tools used by managed service providers, MSPs, to monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot your IT systems from a central location. Think of it like a 24/7 surveillance system for your computers, servers, and network. These tools track the health of your devices, watch for unusual behavior, and trigger alerts the moment something goes wrong. RMM runs quietly in the background, collecting data, applying updates, and even patching vulnerabilities, often without users even noticing. It's proactive IT at its best, helping resolve problems before they become major outages. What's the worst IT issue your business ever faced? Share your stories in the comments. We'd love to hear how you recovered and whether RMM could have saved the day. Why does RMM matter for your business? Simple. Because downtime is expensive. Every minute your systems are down, you're losing productivity, opportunities, and revenue. With RMM in place, issues can often be resolved before your team even notices. This means faster resolutions, fewer service disruptions, and a much better experience for your employees and customers. RMM also automates repetitive tasks like software updates, antivirus checks, and system reboots, saving your IT team time while reducing human error. It's like having an extra set of digital eyes and hands on your systems 24/7. So, who benefits from RMM? Truthfully, almost every business. Whether you have a small office or a large enterprise, RMM tools help keep things running behind the scenes. If your company depends on uptime, reliable performance, and fast IT support, RMM is not a luxury, it's essential. At ITCubed, we use industry-leading RMM platforms to manage our clients' systems proactively. Our goal is simple: minimize disruptions and maximize performance so you can focus on running your business. Remote monitoring and management is one of the most powerful tools in an MSP's arsenal. It's how we stay one step ahead of tech issues, reduce downtime, and ensure your systems work like they should, day or night. Has your business experienced the power of RMM yet? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Next week, we'll explore cybersecurity maturity levels, what they are, how to measure your organization's posture, and why continuous improvement is critical in today's threat landscape. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching Demystifying IT Jargon. I'm Chad Barron, and remember, the best IT support is the kind you never notice, because it's already working. See you next time.